guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. What I want to share today is something that I've been struggling with. I can't lose weight. I don't know. I've been trying to lose weight for over a year, and I'm not gonna lie, I try really hard and then I like just give up. So I'm like at two extremes. I'm like super strict or like crazy eating everything I want. So I vowed that in 2019 I was gonna lose this weight. I have probably like 15 true pounds to lose. So what I've decided to do is get on keto, and I have done keto before. My husband and I did it last year around October, I think. And yeah, because I remember it was Halloween and I didn't cheat on Halloween, which is really hard. But I vowed to start again, and I want to share that journey with you guys. So that's what this video is going to be about. Today is the first day that we're doing keto. It's Sunday, I think, like, I'll put the date on. I think it's like January 25th. But yesterday we went and we're preparing for the keto. So there's a couple things that I'm going to share. I guess this video would be kind of like preparing for keto day one, probably what I'll title it, I don't know. But I do want to share the journey with you guys. Hopefully you can help keep me accountable. I did purchase like a diet plan from a trainer, and I've been working with her, but the process is so slow, and I've been like pretty much like I've cut way back on my food, I've been working out, and it's just like not happening. And I really want to make it happen, do some drastic changes. So yesterday, like I said, we went shopping, and I'm gonna share the haul with you. I'll insert it in, I already recorded it. The first thing that I think is important for keto to know is what you can and can't eat. So I know keto's all the rage, but I think what people end up forgetting is that you still have to kind of track your calories, especially in the beginning. I mean, no matter what, if you overeat in any diet, you're not going to lose weight. You could potentially gain weight. And I could see it being really easy to gain weight on keto just because of the fat that you're consuming. The formula for keto, and I actually put it on my phone, so I'll share the link below that I used, but the formula for keto is literally like 20 carbs a day, which is absolutely nothing. Oh my God, like nothing. So the last time I did keto, I did it very loosely. I didn't track anything. I just basically kind of followed what I thought, which was eat a lot of fat, moderate protein, and low carb. But now that I started like really preparing for the diet, I've noticed that last time I did it, I was having too many carbs. And even though I did see results, they weren't probably as good as they could have been because I was eating too many carbs. So one, let's figure out how many calories you can have a day, because you can't go crazy. There's no diet that you can eat as much as you want and you're gonna lose weight. I'm sorry, at least it's just like the way of the world. That's just how it works. I've accepted it. It's very sad because let me tell you, I love to eat. Let me show you my fitness pal and how like I got it ready. And also, like I said, I helped my husband with his for the keto diet. Like my other diet, I was eating 40% protein, 40% carbs, and 30% fat, or more or less. And I was eating like 1,700 calories a day, exercising 5 days a week. And it was like a slow freaking snail process to lose weight. And I feel like I'm at the weight that I'm always at. Like I think when I started, I was like, oh, I'm embarrassed. 168 when I started. And then I've gone down to like 161 and I saw 159 this week, but yesterday Sean and I ate a bunch. So this morning when I weighed, it was kind of heavy. But let me show you my fitness pal. And I kind of want to stay on track here because I can like go off on tangent. So the first step, like I said, is figuring out the calories that you can eat and pretty much trying to stay within them. So I went into my fitness pal, and like I said, I'll link below the calculator I used. I am going to try to only like 1,650 calories. I still want to work out because I like a firm, tight body, not like flabby, skinny. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but here is what I can eat. I've distributed the calories in my fitness pal, and hopefully the phone will pick them up. If the phone isn't picking it up, I'll snapshot it and insert it here so you guys can see. But the calories is 1,650. the carbs says 21 carbs. So basically you put your carbs at 5% like it says, and then I can have 83 grams of protein and 137 grams of fat. So that's my goal every day. I'm gonna try to stick to it. Like I said, last time I did it, I just ate whatever I wanted. And this morning we made coffee, and I'll share that with you guys too in a little bit, my coffee recipe, because I love coffee. But I noticed that last time I did the diet, I think my coffee was like 450 calories. And so I had to cut back. I'm like, okay, I was overeating that time. So I have to cut back on that, and I adjusted my coffee recipe this morning, which kind of made me sad, but it is what it is. I have to really try. The key is diet. Like, you have to change your diet to lose weight. Like, you cannot work out hours and hours and still lose weight and eat what you want. There's just no way. So now that we've calculated the calories that we can eat, I'm gonna share a couple of things that are gonna help me, hopefully, in the diet, and maybe they'll help you. So let me show you a few things that are like my staples. Okay, like I mentioned, I love coffee. I use this Keto Bomb coffee French vanilla flavor. I'll link it below for you. I think you can get it on Amazon, but I got it at the vitamin shop, and it just is high in fat. It's high in fat, and it only has like 4 carbs. So I've already spent, I actually only had half of this morning because I used some creamer, which had like 2 carbs or something. So yeah, this is really good. It makes your coffee taste yummy, and you don't feel like super deprived. I might go buy some other things, and like as I'm filming these videos, I'll share with you guys an update like once a week. I'll take some video clips, or comment below like what you want to see on this journey of mine. So yeah, I'll do that for you guys. And then most important, getting into ketosis. So basically ketosis, from what I understand, is like when your body switches from burning carbs for fuel to fat. So that's your goal in keto, is getting into that like state, your body. It can take up to 3 to 5 days supposedly to get there. Last time I did it, it took me about 3 days to get there. But I feel like these strips are kind of important. So I got these Ketone Test strips, and this is what they look like. Right here is the color, and it'll tell you like where you are in burning mode for burning ketones. These work really good. So like I said, I knew I was in ketosis, and I was like really happy about it. So I'm gonna start using these. I probably won't test myself until today's Sunday, so probably like Tuesday. I didn't bring it, but I did buy a bunch of electrolytes. So what ends up happening in the keto diet a lot is you can end up feeling dehydrated because you lose a lot of salt. And I suffer from migraines, so I have to be like super hypersensitive to my body when I am dehydrated. So I bought a bunch of like electrolytes, and I'll link some below for you, but I just start chugging those usually day 2. So today will probably be easy for me because I have a bunch of carbs. I mean, like literally we had pizza last night, so I have a carb overload in my body right now. But Monday and Tuesday will definitely be a challenge, because the carbs will like I'll be like on fume carbs, and then like when you're like at the very end of your carbs and until you go into like ketosis, it's like suffering, honestly. People get what's called keto flu and all this crap. So I just drink a bunch of electrolytes, and I found that helped last time, so that's what I'm gonna do this time. And then I have the biggest sweet tooth ever. So that's why I struggle with this diet. I would rather have like sweets than salty food, but I'm gonna do this diet. So I did buy one thing, and I haven't tried them yet. So as the weeks going by, I'll definitely film me trying this and tell you guys what I think. But I bought these cookies that I saw that were like fat bombs. I filmed a vlog yesterday when I was out shopping for them. If you guys are interested, I'll link it below, but it was just kind of getting ready for the keto diet. But they're called a fat snack, and you can get them on Amazon. I'll link it below for you. These are it, and I plan on having one of these probably every night when I need it, or as needed, not more than one a day, but as needed for when I like really am dying for something sweet. and that will hopefully help me there. Okay, so that's pretty much all I've gotten so far for the diet. I am gonna insert like the weight that we weighed in this morning. So my husband's doing this with me, so he'll probably be in some of the videos. Sometimes he wants to film, but then sometimes he's like, oh, I don't wanna be on it. So we'll see how that goes. But he did say he would support me in the diet, which I love that he does that. He will do like any crazy diet I propose, and yeah, so he's doing the keto diet with me. But this morning I weighed, I forgot already. I think I weighed 163, which is kind of sad, but kind of sad because I think Wednesday I weighed 159, but it's okay. I know I'm between probably like 160, probably I weigh about 161 right now. I'm just carrying a bunch of like water weight because I ate pizza last night and Thai food yesterday. So my husband, I'll put his weight too. He's weighing kind of heavy because of our like little cheat day yesterday. And then well, the thing with keto is like, I don't like to, once I'm on it, well, I experienced this last time. Once I was on it, I was like committed. Like if you get out of ketosis, you're like, ah, it's kind of hard to get back into it. You don't want to feel like shit. So I'm sorry, I just said a bad word, but you don't want to feel crappy. So I will go longer on keto diet than a regular diet and not cheat, just because I don't want to get out of ketosis. So I will update you guys next weekend after week 1 of the keto diet, and hopefully you guys like the videos. I'm already talking for 14 minutes, so I have to like hurry up. I want to insert the grocery haul for you guys, but I don't know if I'll have time. I might have to do it like in an update video because I'm already at 14 minutes, but I do want to share my grocery haul, what I bought to get started. So depending on how long this video is, it'll be in this video or the next video or something like that. And then also I want to share my coffee, so I will insert that. I think that's not very long. We're making our coffee now, and the only thing that you really have to pay attention to is the carbs on the creamer. So what I recommend is doing like a heavy whipping cream, which I got this one at HEB, our local grocery store, and it has less than 1 gram of carbohydrates in it. And then also I have this one, and I got it from work, but this one also has less than 1 gram, which I'm super excited about because it's really yummy and just like so rich. So what I do is I take one of my coffee pods from Nespresso and make coffee, and then I froth up this. You can also add MCT oil. I'm not going to do that today because I have one of my favorite things, which I totally recommend, this Keto Bomb, and I can link it below because I think you can get it on Amazon. It is like a vanilla flavor, French vanilla latte, and your coffee is gonna be so good when you put this and some creamer together. You're gonna be like, oh my God, I'm gonna do keto coffee the rest of my life. But okay, I had to like put boxes to put my camera on, so don't mind all the mess. But here is the coffee. I haven't tasted it. This one's actually Sean's. So the recipe is coffee, whatever coffee you have. It could be an espresso pod or just like French press or any coffee that you like, regular drip, a Keurig. Then I put a scoop of the Keto Bomb, and then you can put Vital Proteins, which are good for you. They're like collagen, and then Sean has the ones that he uses. And then I totally recommend, this is an investment, but it's so worth it, getting a frother and then frothing some no carb milk or low carb milk. So these are the two options. This is actually from Dunkin' Donut. We had an event at work on Friday, and I am like in love with their creamer. It is just so creamy and yummy, and it has really like less than 1 carb. So it's okay on the keto. And then if you can't find that, you can definitely get any heavy whipping cream or some sort of half and half that shows you less than 1 carb on there. But that's the coffee. That's how we made our morning coffee for first day on keto. I will probably tweak it or try some different options. I will share everything with you guys. Like I said, again, let me know below what you guys want to see on this journey. Hopefully this video will help some of you get inspired or at least keep me accountable for losing weight. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.